Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's that time. Boys, today in the video, we are bolting up the Ridetech SLA on the car. And as you can see by this smile, I could not be freaking happier. The goal is today, we're going to have the car sitting on all four wheels, which is a huge, huge milestone if you've been following the channel for any length of time, because since late July 2021, it has not. So let's get this stuff bolted on. All right, we've got our faithful assistant in the house. Darn, welcome back to the shop, bro. When are we installing the blower on your car?
As soon as the butterscotch is
Looking forward to that, guys. If you did not see the first Coyote swap new edge we did, it's about to get, what's it getting?
What, mine?
Yeah.
BMP Odin.
BMP Odin. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. But real quick, guys, let me go through the first step. And that's, of course, getting the frame bracket on. Let me get you some light here. So the very first step, you got to get the frame bracket on. And like I said in the previous video, you got to trim right here and beat this down, which is a little bit of a task because that's dual layer metal and it's thick. So we've got that taken care of. Got all of our parts here. Went ahead and assembled the coilovers. They're good to go. Got our SN95 brackets on there. Hubs bolted to the spindle. We're gonna put this thing on all fours. So let's go. All right, it is about hub and spindle time. So there's your SN95 caliper brackets. I'm gonna bolt those bad boys on like so. We'll be back. We'll have studs to bolt wheels on. That's gonna be pretty awesome. Yeah, so far update, upper and lower on, coilover on. I mean, this is super simple to bolt together. Got your spacers on your control arms there. Go to the other side. Like I said, you get your studs on your brackets already. Washer nut, washer nut. I mean, nothing to it. And there's your adjuster right there. We got them on full firm at the moment. Did go ahead and get the K-member spacers in. We were waiting on those. So if you're wondering why we have the big nut there, that's taken care of. But yeah, this is, I mean, could not be simpler to install. Does it actually have wheels on it? Yeah, it does. We ain't got no brakes or rotors or nothing on it. But who cares, right? It's actually gonna sit on all fours, yeah, today. We promised.
It's been a minute, huh?
It has been a long minute. Don't even have the right lug nuts because those are S550 studs on those hubs. But it'll be all right.
Dun, dun, dun.
Dover providing the music today. Wonder how low it's gonna sit. Low. Low.
I think the lift bottomed out.
Did it really?
Yeah,
And it didn't go all the way down.
Yeah, it's still on lift.
Might have to adjust the coilovers just a hair.
That looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
It's good ride height.
And we can ride. I can run it at that ride height.
Yeah.
Which is, oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah. He's adding some stuff to the front end, so make it heavier.
Mm.
Is that right?
Yeah, we're adding some stuff. Got to jack it up. Yeah, get it up. We're gonna have to shut the hood, give the full effect for sure. So the lift was actually holding it up. So now we're gonna get the full. Yeah. I think we'll just roll with it like
I
that.
like it.
Just roll with it like that.
Tucking, man,
You
tucking.
like it, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
I want some more of it.
Cut that coil off in the back.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I think I need to put some air in my tires, but. That is ridiculous. Jeez. No, y'all don't mind me. I'm just geeking out. Hey, y'all just bear with me here. Just bear with me.
I'll get you some tissues.
Yeah, I need some I need something. I don't know. No fap in the shop, you know, so. I mean.
I guess that's my first time seeing the hood, man.
Yeah. Well, the last time you saw the hood, it was white. Good. Yeah. Y'all just bear with me here. Huh. It's just been too long, Alex. Too long. Obviously, I'm not gonna drive it this low, but I'm Just a little teaser of things to come. Alright, I gotta get around the back here. Yeah. I don't even know what to say. Yeah, you see the sun hitting that firecracker red, kind of takes on orange. I know the camera's not gonna pick it up, but I'm losing it right now, boys. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, I guess all my geeking out is over now. Now I can get back to work. But tried to tell y'all a million times. Patience. Just have patience. And it'll happen. Patience is the word, Nard, right?
Patience is a virtue.
Patience is a virtue. Patience, right?
That's right, patience.
Patience. Freaking patience. Yeah. Yeah. Patience pays off. So, like I said, there's more. More on the way. And the second it arrives, I'm going to show it to you. But for now, I'm just going to stand around and stare. Right? It's not bad if I just stand and stare at it for a minute, right? So, hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned. I'm not done yet.